Hey everybody, it's Adam
And Gary.
from Brightingale, and today we're talking about a TV. This is the Samsung BET series. This is the 55-inch model. It's rated for 16.7. So what that means is exactly what it sounds like. Rated to run 16 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is 4K, which is fantastic. And the great thing about it is they're really, really cost effective. There's really two tiers of TVs. There's consumer TVs, residential TVs, and commercial TVs. And in a residential TV, they're really designed to run for 8 hours-ish or less per day. If you're a business,
Yeah,
8 hours is not enough.
Yeah, I watch TV for like 10 hours a day at business.
No, legitimately. If you're a business, 8 hours is not enough, right? You're open for a long time, and that really wears out the panels, and the TV lifespan is drastically reduced. But this one is a really, really great choice for bars, restaurants, retail, even businesses. If you have a display up on the wall in your lobby or anything like that, they're just really on for a long time. This would be a great choice.
So this particular TV has a 3-year warranty. The sizes, like Adam said, comes in several different sizes, all the way from all the normal sizes from 43 to 75 inches. But there's also like a super cool, like made specifically for business owners app that is both Android and iPhone. And I think Adam's got it pulled up right now, ready to party.
The cool thing that this series has is the Samsung Business app. And so if we choose that, we end up with something really cool. So this right here, this is a default stock template that comes with the app. Of course, you would change the content, you would change the photo, the colors, the text to make it your own. But what this has a companion app that runs on my phone, and it allows me to put advertisements here. And if you're in a normal retail space, you could have a series of these highlighting different products that you've got for offer. And just to show you how easy that is, we're gonna make one right now. We can look through the app and we can see here there's a whole lot of options of built-in templates.
Sorry, I couldn't hear what you said.
Siri, come on now. We're not even talking to you. I said there's a whole lot of options. I'm not
A whole lot of series, yeah.
So there's lots of great options built in that you can use and modify to put your logos, your pictures, your products, your sales all in, and they're really easy to edit. In my hypothetical business, I own a fantasy-themed restaurant, and I want to let the people around the bar know that I've got a great special on a new dish. So what I'm going to choose is this little one down here at the bottom that has with TV, and there's lots of great choices. But I like this first one, and so I'm going to choose that. And so this is really good. So you can see the little black rectangle where my TV is going to be. And then I got a little picture, got some prices, I got some text, got another picture. So I want to put the logo of my restaurant in right here. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to choose this image from my phone, which this is a great image. I love this.
I'm really excited
Like
to see what
this is my restaurant logo. I think it's fantastic. And it's very fantasy themed. And I actually have a new dish that I really want to highlight. And that dish, so I'm going to put the big picture of that dish here. So I'm going to choose my photos again. And this is just pulling photos from your photo roll on your phone. So you can just send them to your phone, whatever you like to do. And this is my unicorn. So it's literally some corn that's shaped like a unicorn. So this is my unicorn. And that is my new dish.
You got weird fantasies, man. Like I'm for it. I'm not here to judge.
It's true. It's true. But anyway, I need to let people know what this is. So I want to say, have you tried our unicorn? And we got to put some exclamations and question marks at the end of that, clearly.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think this is worth a lot of money. So I'm going to tap this $16, and I don't think it's worth $16.
No?
I think that this dish is worth $500. This looks fantastic. It's really great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close that out, and I'm going to send it to the TV. So I'm going to hit the check mark. I'm ready for this. I'm going to save that. And then right here I can see, oh, I've got a slideshow. This is what I'm ready for. And I can hit the pencil to edit again, or I can hit the paper airplane to send it to my TV. And here's my TV. It's already set to go. And I'm going to say post now. And so it takes just a second. These are both on our Wi-Fi here at the shop.
Wow, that was fast.
And here it is. All the glory of my new dish, the unicorn, at the bar playing live TV at the same time, and I realize that's an Apple TV screensaver, but you know.
So another reason this is so cool is it brings you all these features, the availability to do the app and push content to the TVs easily and effectively, where previously to get digital signage like this, where you have, menu boards up or you've got live TV behind kind of an overlay sort of thing, you'd have to, one, buy the commercial TV that is rated to run for 16/7 or 24/7 or whatever is appropriate for your business. And then additionally, you would have to buy the digital signage player to put behind each TV.
Those aren't cheap.
No, they're not cheap. That is a few $100s each. Yeah, I mean, depending on which one you get. And then, you got to push to all those. This really makes it more available for business owners to be able to put this digital signage up in their facility.
Yeah, and I think that's the huge value out of this product. This is the Samsung BET series Business Edition TVs. A great line, and if you want these, or if you want a solution like this, give us a call, and we'd be happy to help you out.